So this is the Hamilton Beach two-way programmable coffee maker. It's a 12-cup carafe. And the single serve. So I have a program time, which is here. So this is for the single serve. This is for the craft. This is for regular or pulled brew. This is for iced coffee for the craft. And this is to program the time, preset the time, auto, at 3:30 a.m. And this is just the start button for either the smaller one or for the larger carafe. Regular coffee cup or get a taller one. This does come out with taller coffee cups. The water reservoir line.